Get ready for a symphony of cultural beats as Dr. D.R.H. Rohodin Mersyah, PLT Governor of Bengkulu, and RBTV General Manager orchestrated a record-breaking Dol festival, captivating the shores of Pantai Panjang in Bengkulu, Indonesia. Imagine the rhythmic pulse of 500 participants coming together at the Dol festival, creating a vibrant tapestry of sound that resonates through the air, echoing the rich cultural heritage of Bengkulu. Meet the Dol, a sturdy yet lightweight percussion instrument crafted with precision from wood or coconut shell. The process of creating these musical gems takes about a month, a testament to the craftsmanship that defines Bengkulu cultural identity. The Dol, originating from Bengkulu, isn't just an instrument, it's a cultural emblem known for its strength and lightness. It's a symbol of the region's artistic prowess and dedication to preserving traditional music. An incredibly energizing performance with 500 participants, each with a Dol in hand, collectively playing, forging a resonating rhythm that fills the atmosphere during the Dol festival. This vivacious feat was registered with the Asia Book of Records. Subscribe to the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel for more such incredible records.